Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine format feature number 5, columns, for the Google Doc series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on format and hover over columns, I can choose to insert either 2 columns into my Google Doc or 3. When I click on the 2 option, my document appears as it looks on the screen. If I want to have a little more customization with the columns in my Google Doc, I can click on More Options. In here, I can change the number of columns to either 1, 2, or 3. I can adjust the spacing between the columns, and I can choose to add a line between the columns. If I want my changes to be saved, I need to click the blue Apply button. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.